answer my call. That's a margarita moonlight. With the light fandango, shake me down 2 times. It's a margarita. Love pushing hornito, cactus juice, margarita. Hold on, baby. Margarita. Big fish, big fish. There are funny falling stars. Look up at the western sky, from wherever you are. Blue sky, over the red rocks. The church steps like a fire. Desert hawk. Don't you worry, you're pretty, pretty mine. I'm gonna take you way out west, Arizona time. Hey, hey, hey. Suffered in your grave. Take sweet time. Can't cool you down, but when you cool it so fine. I can't dance if I could bring you all around. All the way down 66 ghetto Phoenix town. That's a margarita moonlight. Let's rip the light fandango. Shake me down 2 times. It's a margarita. Love potion hornito, cactus juice, margarita. Hold on, baby. Margarita. Margarita. Thanks a lot, everybody. We're going to do some, that's one of our songs that we can do some originals, but this next one is not. Old Jackson Brown song you might remember from the early 70s. With the light coming up with her eyes, she got to be somebody, baby. Must be somebody, baby. All the guys on the corner stand back and let her pass the whole ride. She got to be somebody, baby. She must be somebody, baby. Got to be somebody, baby. She's so fine. Probably somebody's only light gonna shine tonight. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Probably somebody's baby away. Her talking to her till she thought nobody else was around. Said she got to be somebody's baby. She must be somebody's baby. 'Cause when the cars and the signs and the street lights light up the town, she got to be somebody's baby. She must be somebody's baby. Got to be somebody's baby. She's so fine. Should you know better? Never ever let you on again. Shake, shake it with the fever. Oh, yeah. Shake it with the goodbye fever. Shake it with the goodbye fever. Shake it with the goodbye fever. Shake it with the goodbye fever once again. Nice to everybody. From Mesa and music. This next song here is we're a kind of southwest oriented band, and this song is about a real pretty place I'm real familiar with out west called Sedona, Arizona. Anyway, it's a special place for myself, my wife, and a lot of people go out there. Anyway, if you haven't been, you ought to try it out sometime. This song is called Sedona Stars. Well, are those stars hanging low over Sedona? Are you saving your heart for me tonight? Oh, I'm thinking about your touch. I'm missing you so much. Are those stars hanging low in Sedona tonight? I hardly knew what to say when I called you on the phone. Long distance airplane tickets, nights spent alone. We've had magic since we met. I never will regret. Are those stars hanging low in Sedona tonight? Moments borrowing time. I know it's me, I had a call, you were on my mind. Our lives are far apart, our spirits are entwined. Take me to the desert one more time. Well, are those stars hanging low over Sedona? Are you saving your heart for me tonight? You say you want to be with me. Well, you already are. Are those stars hanging low in Sedona tonight? You say you want to be with me. Well, you already are. Are those stars hanging low in Sedona tonight? That's what everybody. That's a pretty one. We do have a few CDs available up here in a little basket on the car here. Just whatever contribution you want to make be appreciated. And we've got 15 original songs there. Got another one coming, but it's not quite done yet. This whoa. This next song here is from one of our guitar heroes. I recognize it. magic woman, a black magic woman, black magic woman, got me so blind at the feet. Black magic woman, gonna make the devil out of me. To put your spell on me, baby. To put your spell on me, baby. To put your spell on me, baby. Come and find what you say. To put your spell on me, baby. My head up elastic. Black magic woman, black magic woman, turn my heart to stone. Did you see bad? Can't leave you alone. Your hands on the guitar. Chef Q on bass. I'm Gus Stairs from Mesa Rain. Thank you. This next song is about a rodeo cowboy, kind of a barrel clown actually, which I think is the coolest job in the rodeo. Met him a couple years ago. I was out in Colorado one time and he started talking about the experiences of being a rodeo clown and how often he gets stalked and guarded. I sort of, during the course of the conversation, I sort of got an idea for a song, and I came back and wrote the song that's called The Lonesome Kind, as in the worst pain is the lonesome kind. I went knock on the air-screen door, we shared a lot. How much more been broke a few times, it'll happen again. At the end of the day, I need you, man. So you don't understand me, well, neither do I. Bulls and horses don't like me, the throne never lies. There's no pain like the lonesome kind when I wait on the sun to rise. There's no pain like the lonesome fast enough to make the fence, but I'm afraid to call and ask you for two steps to one last chance. So you don't understand me, well neither do I. Lost a horse in the dust, I'm bad at goodbyes, but wrong never lies. There's no pain of some kind when I'm waiting on the sun to rise. There's no pain like the lonesome kind. No pain like the lonesome kind. No pain like the lonesome kind. I'm afraid to call and ask you for two steps to one last No pain like a lonesome sky late at night. No pain like a lonesome kind under the western sky. No pain. Thanks a lot, everybody. Next song called Vision Journey. It's I guess we're all on that kind of path one way or another. Anyway, kind of go through life trying to figure out who you are, what you ought to be. Anyway, song a little bit about that, and sharing it all with some of my special. They can go to New Mexico, down to Santa Fe, down to find no why, or just want to say, but my truck is waiting, these flowers are for you. From the bear smiling right now, I think you want this too. They can go to New Mexico, down to Santa Fe. No blues or bees, not running away. They need a guitar man in an old cafe. A maggot baker living there, playing songs all day. So how about New Mexico, down to Santa Fe? Gotta know right now, girl, what do you say? Vision journey, following the heart. I see lightning in the distance, I see lightning in the dark. Vision, journey to be no more restless nights, where angels come at dawn. Beach light, the open southwest sky has its own color of blue. Today I'll be going, but not without you. So how about New Mexico, down to Santa Fe? Gotta know right now, girl, what do you say? So how about New Mexico, down to Santa Fe? My truck is waiting, girl, what do you say? Gotta know right now, girl, what do you say? Thanks a lot, everybody. I know we're singing a lot of songs about the Southwest. This next one will be another one. Arizona to go. Somebody please help me. DC doing a special delivery. I need a whole lot of sand around my cabin. Keep the cactus, the brim and the snow. Need a little breeze right away. Summer baby, don't go away. Gonna call up Arizona to go. Be good to get up like witches and salsa. We good together like rabbits and me. Oh, she gets that far away look in her eye when I know that it's time to call up Arizona to go. Way out west in Arizona, where my baby wants to be. When I always play, hand foot runners run on deck. Gotta come right away, Arizona to go. Arizona to go. She did it, Arizona to go. She gotta have it, Arizona to go. It's alright with me. Arizona to go. You betcha Arizona to go. She gotta have it, Arizona to go. Alright with me. Come now. Hamilton on the guitar. She don't like Indiana summer bunch. She don't like the bugs and bees. But she loves me like I was biting the rain. I get thrown, she eats the pain. Gotta go right away, Arizona to go. Way out west in Arizona is better my baby wants to be. Play handbook, runners run on day. Gotta call right away, Arizona to go. Arizona to go. Say David, Arizona to go. Gotta have it, Arizona to go. It's alright with me. Arizona to go. Gotta Arizona to go. Gotta have it, Arizona to go. It's alright with me. All right. I got a little sand between the toes on that one. Playing a lot of original music here this afternoon. I've got a few CDs up here in the basket if anybody wants to have a look at it. If you want to make a contribution, go ahead. We appreciate the opportunity to come out and play for you this afternoon. We are Mesa Rain, and we play around here sometimes, and you might see us from time to time out around the town and the surrounding towns. Next song is one called Cross by Morning. Pretty scenic breeze, spinning in the night, dark eyes shine, lighting up the night. Selena cruise evening, habaneros and wine, blowing over that say, but she don't mind. Morning, me and my buddies will be. Let me be a Prince Charming, kind of line for me. Frogs for morning, 30,000 feet. Let me be a Prince Charming, scenery wait for me. Attitude adjustment, wish I could be. Attitude adjustment for me. Attitude adjustment, where can I go wrong? Attitude adjustment, so long. Pretty scenery, I'll bring it down a star. You can wear it every night, right over your frogs come morning, me and the buddies will be. for me. Frogs the morning, 30,000 feet. Let me be Prince Charming, scenery wait for me. Let me be Prince Charming, scenery wait for me. Thank you. Thank you very much, everybody. Well, a few weeks ago, I was in kind of deep thought on my front porch, having a glass of wine late at night, and the idea came into my head about what it would be like if I was to get a telephone call right now from my 24-year-old self. You know, just checking in with me. He wouldn't want to know what happens when that comes out. But anyway, it's this song's about that. It's called Hello 24. Last night, 24 called. There's a message saying what you've been doing when you don't look so good. You used to be stronger, your eyes are soft. Coming back. Hey, because you got quicker to judge, slower to pray. Looking over your shoulder like it's hell to pay. You never have to tank gas, a $20 bill. Short answer to the question, the very still is all I ever needed and I ever will. I had long hair, a yellow Ford truck. The girls all wanted a piece of my love. I was born hungry, holes in my boots. That old guitar never got me much to do the light. Living in my own movie